Well, state health officials say they have confirmed more cases of whooping cough so far this year than they did in all of last year. Between December and the first week of this month, state public health officials say they have received 179 whooping cough reports in 23 counties. Alamance County has the most, 122 of those cases. Last year, the state only had 126 reported cases. The disease is spread from person to person, usually by coughing or sneezing. Getting the Tdap vaccine is your best protection.